Now let's explore the Microsoft 365 Admin Center a little bit more. As I open the Admin Center admin.microsoft.com, the first thing I'm presented with here is a list of options on the left. These menu options here on the left guide me through the various most commonly used functionalities. At the bottom I find the admin centers, and there are many admin centers that are listed here. Those are suggested as the most common admin centers for my Microsoft 365 workloads. However, if I click on all admin centers, I will see every single one of them, and there are many. Those admin centers are often updated with newer versions. Microsoft clouds are often updated. These little buttons here allow me to see the apps. Now these are the apps that are available to me as a user. And I can open up my email by simply clicking on this Outlook icon, or open up my OneDrive folder by clicking on OneDrive. Again, these are my Microsoft 365 apps, my client apps that I would be accessing here. So it's essentially accessing office.microsoft.com. If I go back into the main window here, these cards are essentially shortcuts in a dashboard that allow me to access a subset of my resources. Some of them are for monitoring purposes, some of them are for administrative purposes. So I can click here on Add Cards and I see a number of cards for different functions that can be added. For example, I can add a service health card from the cards. And go down to the bottom you see, and I'll add also a role-based administrator card. That's great. Now I'll go back on the top, close this card, and you see that additional cards have been added in my window here. These card, for example, the some services are disrupted, is a notification under service health, lets me know that there are some service health issues with Microsoft 365 right now. These are not my issues. These are not something that I've created as part of my tenant. This is something that exists in the Microsoft 365 cloud, some type of a service degradation at this point. If I go down below, I have also here my administrative roles, and I have a shortcut to go and assign administrator roles. So these are just simple tabs or cards as they're called within my dashboard to give me shortcuts to manage my resources. The default view is in what we call light mode. You can change it into a dark mode as well. Another link here is the What's New link. Now essentially what's new in the entire Microsoft Cloud ecosystem. There are a lot of new things that happen regularly on the Microsoft 365 network, and if I click on What's New, I'm linked to an article on the Microsoft website that lists all of the recent changes in Microsoft 365. In the top right there is a link for a card, and that card basically gives me an ability to go into my account and view my own personal Office profile. So this is the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. We will go very deep into the Admin Center in the various videos in this course. Get familiar with it, because this is the tool that we're going to be using throughout this course.